Hey, talking with Tayler Janssen of Flanagan State Bank.
Hi, how are you?
Good. So we just wanted to come on and do a post about how we've been helping renters in the community, qualify to buy homes and helping them become first-time homebuyers.
Yeah, well, I really think we have had a lot of success, moving forward. We've had about maybe 10, 15 people that we've really been able to help get on at least the right path to homeownership,
Right.
Which is really awesome. We've had some contracts come through, which is amazing as well. I really think that we're both passionate about helping people who necessarily never thought that their dreams of owning a home could become a reality.
Right.
So that's our main goal here at Flanagan. I know EXP is really important, but that helping these not so traditional clients get into homes and really like I said, make their dreams become a reality. So.
Yeah, I mean, there's different loan programs out there, different grant programs from a lending level to a state level.
Exactly.
That are available to people that don't really know that it's there. So do you want to tell us a little bit about the loans you really seem to be the most popular amongst this particular niche?
Of course. So our niche is helping people with lower credit score requirements than the local banks around here. We definitely think that the local banks do a phenomenal job around here, but we're kind of doing things that maybe the local banks can't do.
Right.
So we work with people who maybe come in and they're not approvable right away, but we'll give them tips and tricks on how they can become approvable and help them along the way, which I really think is important for them.
Right.
One of the main loan products that we do use is our USDA, which is our 0% down program. Our USDA allows for a minimum credit score of 600, which is pretty good. We do a lot of FHA loans, which is really phenomenal as well. Our FHA loans are either a 3.5% down or a 5% down product, and we have a lot of success with that as well. Another kind of niche that we have is we have a lot of people who come in that may not be, maybe their financial situation is a little different. Maybe they're self-employed, but they haven't only been on for 12 months.
Right.
So we have our bank statement loan, which allows for us to get 12 months of bank statements if they're self-employed, to be able to, help those self-employed borrowers instead of having them to wait 2 years before they can get a home loan. So that's awesome as well.
So that's one type of loan. Now,
Yep.
I think one of our clients is getting a grant.
Correct.
There's multiple grants available.
Correct.
So
Yes.
touch on that?
So one of the main grants that we have right now, it's pretty popular. It helps clients a lot who need down payment assistance. So those clients who can't necessarily maybe get approved for USDA, but can get approved for FHA. So the grant program kind of goes like this: if the borrower has $1,000 of their own earned money to contribute to the transaction, they can get $3,000 free.
Okay.
And if they have $1,500, they can get $4,500 free. And if they have $3,000 of their own earned money, they can get $6,000 free.
So that makes $9,000.
Yeah, that makes $9,000 for a down payment, which is a really big deal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does that just for down payment, or is that also for closing costs?
It can be included for down payment and for closing costs as well.
Oh,
so that could also make them very competitive when they're putting an offer in on a property as well.
Right, because oftentimes we have to ask the seller to contribute closing costs,
Exactly.
especially if we're working with someone that hasn't been planning for 6 months, and we're just like, hey, you can buy a home.
Exactly.
So that's an option then.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, and another thing that we really pride ourselves on is, when a client comes in, we don't just say, hey, you're approved for USDA. If they're approved for FHA and conventional, we're going to give them all the different options.
Right.
That way they know for sure no one knows what option's going to fit best for their financial need other than that person, you know?
Right. Well, and for some people, it's the short-term numbers that matter, and for some, it's the long-term numbers. So, they can come out of pocket more now and pay less over the long run, or they just really want to be in a place, can't come out of pocket, and they're going to pay for it, which is fine.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
Everybody's situation is totally different.
And that's what we say. Our motto is, we're not just a regular bank. We're your next door neighbors, and it's not just a motto; it's a slogan. We greet you with a handshake. So, we're not just some big bank that you're not going to know who you're working with the whole time. You're going to be working directly with me and being able to, really answer any questions. I'm available nights, weekends, every day.
Yeah.
Which I think is a huge in this market. Especially it's scary when you're buying a first home.
Right.
It's really scary.
And we've both been there.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's almost like you need to work with people who can anticipate what your questions are, because as a first-time home buyer, you don't know the right questions to ask.
Well, and you don't know the process either.
Right, and that's something that I really want to touch on my channel.
Yeah,
and on my website when I post these videos.
For sure. And one thing I kind of want to make sure that everyone knows right now is, we try to be as competitive we can with our pricing. and with our fees. And right now we're actually doing free appraisals until April 31st. So anyone who comes to me that either gets pre-approved or purchase a home or just comes and contacts me and does an appraisal, we'll give you a free contract. That's if you contact us before April 31st.
Comes to you and does an application.
Yes,
okay,
correct.
Got it.
Yep.
Okay.
We'll honor that and give them the free appraisal even if they get a contract.
And that's through April
31st.
of 2019.
30th, excuse
April
me.
30th.
Yeah, there's no 31st.
of 2019. So if you're watching this video after that, you'll just have to contact Tayler and see what the current special is.
Yeah, and we always have something fun going on.
Yeah.
Which is nice.
Right.
It's important.
Just like to get people's attention.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
For sure.
So if you have any more questions about buying a home, feel free to give me a call. Holly Brink at eXp Realty. Call me today at 712-363-2399 or visit me online at thinkhousesthinkholly.com.
Yeah, or give me a call, Tayler Janssen, at 515-971-8458.
Awesome. Thanks. 712-363-2399. Today I'm talking with Tayler Flanagan. Tayler Flanagan.